Do it yourself, solo dolo. Welcome to Solo Dolo. Join me as we take a ride on an ATV along the seashore of an island, uninhabited by people, but is a sea turtle nesting haven. I'm the only person here, and my job is to find sea turtle nests for research. Every species of sea turtles is endangered and facing extinction. I ride a total of 36 miles every day in search of sea turtle nests. It takes a well-trained eye to be able to locate the nest while riding at high speeds. So what I'm attempting to do right now is called an emergency relocation. If you look where this pole is, you can see the ground level of the beach at one point. But as you can see, it's kind of sloped down. And these eggs were in jeopardy of being washed away. So I decided to do an emergency relocation. And I'll place them into this cooler and move them to a different section on the beach. Unfortunately, many of the eggs have died already. You can see this indentation in them. And their color is a little dark. It's supposed to be a bright white color with a nice round ping pong shape to them. But here's the nest. Let's see if we can find any that... No, let's see. So this may be a failed nest. I'm just hopeful that maybe if I dig deep enough, there could be just a couple that made it. That one was up in the side. Oh, wow. So I'm going to continue to pull these out, and I'm going to get a count of how many eggs were in this nest. I've taken all of the eggs out of the nest, and as you can see, these eggs are pretty much destroyed. They actually got worse the deeper down into the nest that I went. Altogether, I have 67 that I know for a fact that are dead. And the ones that had some type of shape to them or some type of roundness, I put them in this bucket. And it's a total of 57. But as you can see, even in here, there's some that still have just an awful lot of dents like they shouldn't have, and their coloring is a little off. But I'm going to see, maybe we can just get one out of this. Maybe, you never know. So this is my first emergency relocation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.